Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last recipe video of the delicious tuna tostada. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell so you are notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, we'll show you how to make an easy recipe that is a crowd pleaser and is very quick to put together. This dish is perfect for meal prep and it can be customized to your dietary preference. We're making miso udon stir fry. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You will need 3 packs of udon noodles. I'm using the frozen kind. I just had it on boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. 6 leaves of napa cabbage chopped, 1 jumbo carrot, 4 large cremini mushrooms sliced, 1/4 cup of miso paste, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, 3 teaspoons of chopped ginger, and 5 teaspoons of dark soy sauce or any mixture of soy sauce that you have. First, we'll start by making the miso sauce, which consists of mixing the miso paste with the soy sauce. You might want to add some hot water to break down the miso paste and mix until it's well combined. Let's cook. Okay, now onto the dish. We'll be using our Dutch oven pot for even heat distribution. We'll start by adding some avocado oil, minced ginger, and the garlic. We'll gently stir until it releases the flavors, or until you start smelling ginger and garlic. Next, we're adding the mushrooms. Mushrooms are a very good protein source. Another type of mushroom you may use is the portobello mushroom or the king oyster mushroom. Next, we'll add the carrots and napa cabbage. And once the veggies have softened up a bit, we'll add the sauce. Everything will instantly change color, so just mix thoroughly. Now it's time to add the cooked udon noodles. Since the noodles are fully cooked by now, you just need to stir until the noodles are covered in the sauce. To finish off the dish, we like to add some roasted sesame seeds and roasted seaweed. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals from our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye!